Welcome to Global Data 365. Today, we'll show you how to create an advanced income statement in Excel with month-to-date, year-to-date, current year, and last year comparisons. Setup options. First, create options on a new sheet. We have these saved in snippets, so we'll simply drag and drop the options for MTD, YTD, current year, and last year. Using GL function, open the functions, and then we will select GL function to bring in balances from Business Central. Select Balance. Choose the account cell and lock the row by pressing F4. Then select the start and end date cells and lock the column by pressing F4 again. Add totals. Now, use the sum function in Excel to add totals for net sales, COGS, gross profit, expenses, and net profit. Repeat the same steps for current year and last year. Drag the function to the right and check that the cell references are correct. Hide any unnecessary rows. Then run the report and test to ensure accuracy. Finally, copy and paste the setup for each account as needed. And that's it! Your advanced income statement is ready for analysis. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit our website www.globaldata365.com.